Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Biology at Priyajit. Have you ever wondered what are the simplest eukaryotic organisms on Earth? That is, not plants, not animals, but something in between them. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of Kingdom Protista. That's a group that connects the gap between prokaryotes and higher eukaryotic organisms. Let's make this topic easy for you and exam ready. What is Protista? The term Protista was first proposed by Ernst Haeckel in 1866. The word comes from the Greek word protistos, meaning first of all. So what are protists? They are unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Mostly of they are found in water or moist environments. They many live as plankton in freshwater or marine ecosystem. General characteristics of Protista: they are microscopic, single-celled eukaryotes. They have true nucleus and they are membrane-bound. They have membrane-bound organelles. The cell covering may be pellicle, cuticle, or cell wall. Their movement occurs through cilia, flagella, and pseudopodia. The nutrition can be autotrophic, heterotrophic, and mixotrophic. The reproduction can be either asexual by means of binary fission or budding, and by means of sexual, that is by syngamy or conjugation. So important point: sexual reproduction first evolved in Protista. Classification of Protista. Protists are divided into three major groups: photosynthetic protists or algae-like. They are autotrophic and form phytoplankton. First of all, there are examples. The types is chrysophyta or diatoms. This is the image showing the diatom. They are known as jewels of the plant kingdom. They have silica in their cell wall, which is also known as frustule. They contribute a major role in oxygen production and filtration. So they also produce diatomaceous earth. Dinoflagellates, they have two flagella. They can cause red tide. Some of them are bioluminescent. This is the image showing an example of dinoflagellates. Euglenoids, they are in the examples as euglena. They are found in stagnant water. They have no cell wall, so they have a flexible pellicle. They can be autotrophic or heterotrophic, as they are mixotrophic. Slime modes or fungus-like protists, they live in moist and dark places, feed on dead organic matter. They show amoeboid movement. The slime modes are of two types: plasmodial, which are multinucleated mass, and cellular, which is the aggregate of cells. Important concept: they act as decomposers in ecosystem. Protozoan protist or animal-like protist, these are heterotrophic and mostly motile. They based on movement. There are four types. The flagellates, they move by flagella. Sarcodina, they move by pseudopodia such as amoeba. Ciliates, they move by cilia such as paramecium. And sporozoans, they are non-motile parasites. Disease causing protists, some protists are harmful such as malaria caused by the protist plasmodium, amoebiasis caused by entamoeba histolytica, sleeping sickness caused by trypanosoma, calazar caused by leishmania. So this is the image showing the example of amoeba, and this is the table showing the differences between monera and protista. There are differences in cell type, nucleus, body size, types of organelles, presence or absence, ribosome, reproduction, etc. So my dear students, Protista is basically a very diverse group that includes organisms showing characteristics of plants, animals, and fungi. They play a crucial role in oxygen production, food chains, and evolutionary biology. So my dear students, if this video helped you understand Protista clearly, like, share with your friends, and subscribe to Biology at Priyajit for more NEET and class 11 biology content. See you in the next class. Thank you.